Okay, I did not want to have to make this video, but it seems that I do. This is an important matter that I need to discuss. So, I will tell you about it. Something has happened on the app named Amino. There are many communities on it, and many different communities for different things. And a community that my friend was on, she had notified me of someone. Something happened with someone. Her name was Whisper. Full name Whisper, and she was an apprentice. Apprentice. Sorry. She was an apprentice to another role player there. It was said that she was terminally ill with cancer and had only 20 days to live. But recently, something has happened that kind of dismissed that, if that's the correct word. What happened was a leader on the amino posted a post. It was saying that a few things had happened about the whole situation. First of all, there were multiple instances where it was unbelievable, and there were things that were contradicting Whisper's illness. Things like if you were terminally sick, they wouldn't be able to give you your phone in the hospital. Also, if you were ill, you wouldn't be able to get a direct diagnosis of 20 days. And it was just seeming to pile up the evidence that none of this was happening. It's a hoax. And we had done so much effort, so much work to help her and to make her happy. And though I didn't know her myself, though my friend didn't know her myself, she was described to be nice. So I don't see the reason behind doing this elaborate hoax. Soon on the amino, she was demoted from her rank, which was leader. She was demoted, she was banned, and soon after that, she was banned from entering any amino. It's just sickening how people can try to fake illnesses like that when people around the world actually do have terminal cancer. God damn it. Terminal cancer. It's I don't see why anyone would ever do that. We're still continuing to collect art for them and still continuing to post it up for the 20 days of Whisper thing that she had prepared. But seems that most of it has gone to waste. Again, I can't believe that a human being would do something so how do you describe that? I don't know how to describe it. So bad like that. Why would you ever do that? Attention. That's why. She just wanted all the attention. I hope the full situation gets resolved, but this is my video on it for now. But we have tried to get more information on it, but she's going to give me information tomorrow, and I might record a sequel to that and contain more information, because I feel as if a lot of people need to know about this, because this is a serious matter and it needs to be discussed. I was hoping to do a nice gaming video today. Too bad I can't. I think I should, because I haven't been uploading that much. This was supposed to be my video for you guys, but it ended up being this. Back to the Whisper situation. It's baffling. All this time we thought she had an actual illness, and we were trying to do this for her, to have her supposed 20 last days in peace and in happiness. Turns out she doesn't even have the disease. It's just something that no one should ever do. It's just a lot of good work, hard work went to waste. You're making people do all this stuff, tricking people, lying. It's just not worth it. People are going to find out eventually. No matter how well you hide it. This this reminds me of something that happened on DeviantArt a while ago. It was the whole Ima the Deer situation. A lot of you might know about this situation, but if you don't, let me recap this. There was a Deviant user who went by the name of Ima the Deer. She was said to have depression and stuff. She put a post up saying, "Oh, this is going to be my last," and that she was going to commit suicide. Oh my god. Yeah, that she was going to commit suicide. And then a post was made by herself, claiming to be her girlfriend, claiming that she was in hospital. And then a lot of YouTubers kinda pointed out the flaws with that, and soon it was debunked, and it never happened. I hope we can bring awareness to the situation and some bigger people start to cover it, because I think this is a very serious matter. And thanks for listening to me ramble. That was nice to get off my chest. So I'm going to post another video, at least I think I am, a more cheery video, and and so I think I'm done for this video, at least. If I get any more information, I will definitely be sure to update you and everyone who's interested. But again, if anyone would do the honor of covering this and getting more publicity to this story, because I think it needs that publicity. Again, goodbye. I mean, no, not bye yet. I might be doing another video today. It might come out today. I don't know. Maybe. But, maybe. So, that was basically it for me. So, I think I'm gonna be signing off now. Goodbye!